Hey there, welcome back to the Transformers. Today we are embarking on an incredible journey into the heart of the Amazon forest, one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on Earth. Known as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon plays an indispensable role in maintaining ecological balance and safeguarding biodiversity. In this video, we'll explore the Amazon's stunning biodiversity, its pivotal role in the global climate, the ongoing threats it faces, and its significance for UPSC aspirants like you. If you are passionate about environmental science or preparing for competitive exams, this is the video for you. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. The Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity. When you think of the Amazon, what comes to the mind? Towering trees, vibrant wildlife, endless greenery. You are absolutely right. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 390 billion individual trees spanning 16,000 species. These trees form a massive green canopy that shelters some of the most unique creatures on earth, from colorful macaws to elusive jaguar, from playful river dolphins to tiny yet vital insects. In fact, the Amazon is home to 10% of all known species on our planet, making it one of the most biodiverse regions in the world. This includes around 2.5 million insect species, 40,000 plant species, 2,200 fish species, 1,300 bird species, 427 mammals, and countless fungi species, many of which are yet to be discovered. But why does this biodiversity matter? It isn't not just about beauty or wonder. Each species in the Amazon plays a role in the delicate balance of its ecosystem. The rainforest's intricate web of life ensures that species are interconnected and mutually dependent for survival. For example, certain plants depend on specific insects for pollination, while predators like jaguars help control populations of herbivores, maintaining ecological harmony. Without this balance, the ecosystem would collapse. The Amazon is not just a haven for wildlife, it's the living, breathing entity that sustains the global biosphere. Protecting this biodiversity is essential for the health of the planet. The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the earth. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth, and for good reason. It produces around 20% of world's oxygen and plays a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide. The forest acts as a giant carbon sink, helping to regulate the global climate and mitigate the effects of climate change. Every year, the Amazon absorbs approximately 2.2 billion tons of carbon dioxide and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. This process is crucial in maintaining a stable atmosphere and countering the rise of greenhouse gases. In a world grappling with impacts of climate change, the Amazon's role as a carbon sink cannot be overstated. However, this natural wonder is under grave threat. Deforestation, illegal mining, agricultural mining, and wildfires are rapidly destroying large swaths of the rainforest. Since the 1970s, we have lost 17% of the Amazon's original forest cover, and the pace of destruction continues to accelerate. When forests are cleared or burned, the carbon stored in trees is released into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. The implications are dire. If deforestation continues unchecked, the Amazon could reach a tipping point, transforming from a lush rainforest into a savanna-like ecosystem. This would have catastrophic consequences for global climate, biodiversity, and human livelihood. The Amazon rainforest's role in the global water cycle. The Amazon rainforest is not just a carbon sink, it's also a critical player in the global water cycle. The forest produces an astonishing 20 billion tons of water vapor daily, which rises into the atmosphere to form clouds and eventually returns as rain. This phenomenon, known as flying rivers, affects rainfall patterns across South America and beyond. The Amazon's moisture is vital for agricultural regions, providing consistent rainfall for crops, but deforestation disrupts this cycle. Reduced tree cover means less water vapor is released, leading to droughts and altered weather patterns. Such disruptions can have far-reaching effects from crop failures to water shortages, impacting millions of lives globally. The Amazon and indigenous communities. The Amazon rainforest is not just a natural habitat for flora and fauna, it is also a home to around 400 indigenous tribes, many of whom have lived there for thousands of years. These communities have a deep spiritual and cultural connection to the forest, viewing it as a sacred and integral part of their existence. Indigenous tribes play a crucial role in conserving the Amazon. Their traditional knowledge of sustainable practices helps maintain the ecological balance. However, they are often the first victims of deforestation, illegal mining, and land grabbing. Protecting the rights of these communities is key to safeguarding the Amazon's future. Threats to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon faces numerous threats, including in the first, deforestation driven by agriculture, cattle ranching and logging. Second, illegal mining extracting resources like gold devastates ecosystems and pollutes rivers. Third, fires, both natural and human induced, they destroy vast areas of forest. Fourth, climate change, rising temperatures and erratic weather patterns stress the ecosystem. The impacts of these threats are severe, ranging from loss of biodiversity to increased carbon emissions. Combating these challenges require global cooperation, stricter regulations, and sustainable practices. The Amazon rainforest and UPSC perspective. For UPSC aspirants, the Amazon rainforest offers a wealth of insights into environmental science, geography, and international relations. Here is why it's a crucial. First, biodiversity hotspot. Understanding the Amazon's unique biodiversity can help answer questions on ecosystem conservation and endangered species. Second, carbon sink. The role of forest in combating climate change is a key topic for exams. Third, global impact. The Amazon's influence on water cycle and climate makes it a case study in geographical interdependence. Fourth, conservation efforts. Learning about global initiatives like REDD plus reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation as steps to your preparation. When studying the Amazon, focus on the interconnectedness of ecosystems, human impacts, and global cooperation. This will help you answer both the factual and analytical questions effectively. The conclusion. The Amazon rainforest is a priceless treasure that sustains life on Earth. Its unparalleled biodiversity, role as the lungs of the Earth, and influence on the global climate make it an ecosystem worth protecting. But the threats it faces are real and urgent. As stewards of this planet, it's our responsibility to conserve the Amazon, whether through supporting sustainable practices, advocating for indigenous rights, or spreading awareness. Every effort counts. For UPSC aspirants, understanding the Amazon is not just about acing exams, but about appreciating the delicate balance of life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Amazon rainforest. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Transformers for more in-depth explorations of environmental sciences and beyond. See you in the next video.